Now bringing with it some very, very serious conditions across Kansas, Nebraska, Iowa, northwest Missouri, still under an ice storm warning. And then a slew of other different warnings that we've got in the hot pink. You've got winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories. A little tough. Look closely here across the southern border of lower Michigan. That's a freezing rain advisory, but otherwise winter weather advisories. And the list goes on here. Winter storm watches. But even here locally, just outside of the Poconos into the west into central PA, we also have a few freezing rain advisories that are going to be in effect here with this storm system. So let's take a look at the storm in its entirety. It's a doozy. You know, you've got some severe weather down across eastern Texas. Obviously, a lot of icing now spanning several different states. Snow, ice, rain, severe weather, the whole mixed bag. Now, we're not going to be dealing with the main impacts like we're finding across those states here locally. It's rather more of a warm front passage that leads to any precip issues that we will find. And for now, we are actually in the midst of a nice clear sky. This looks like a very quiet day, generally speaking, but with time, you will see the clouds start to build in, and that's the warm front starting to at least lift our way. 44 the eventual high with a modest breeze and the sun coming up at 7:20. I do think you're going to be off to a nice quiet start here. If you are like us here in the studio, you had to go to work here today, there may be a shower around later on tonight, but I think it's the spottiest of the spotty more than anything. Tomorrow, though, is the day that I would suggest the umbrella. It looks like we'll see it come through that rain in periods of locally light or steady rain throughout the course of the day. But, you know, generally speaking, we can handle that. We don't expect much more than maybe a little hint of freezing rain in the far north and west suburbs, Lehigh Valley, Poconos. We're talking to you, but no advisories posted just yet. Come Wednesday, mildest day of the pack with a lingering shower. We'll hit 56 degrees. Misha.